Hi, hello. Today I have a really exciting video. I am going to be doing 4 different looks using the Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection. Looks like this. Today I'm going to be doing one look, and then the next video I'm going to be doing another look with the other palette, and then so on. So I'm going to be doing 4 different looks, testing the shades out, and I'm going to be doing swatches on my arm as well. Hopefully you'll get a good idea of what these palettes are like. I'm excited to try them. I've opened the package, but I haven't swatched any of them yet. I wanted to save it for this video. So it looks like this. I love that it comes with this little pulley thing, so you can just grab this and pull the palettes out, which is great. This was £49, which I thought was a really good deal for 40 shadows basically. If you're going to buy the palettes individually, they are £15 each, which I feel like if you have the money, of course, I would buy the bulk bundle. So let's get into it. So there's 4 eyeshadow palettes with 10 shades in each palette. So let's talk about the palettes. So they are quite small and lightweight, so they're great for travel. So they look like this. On each design they're the same, but they have like different coloured confetti. So yeah, they're the 4 palettes here. So this intro is going to be in every video because I explain the palettes. So inside you have the 10 shades. I'm not going to show every palette in each one because I'll just explain that in the video, but I just want to show you the palette. So it has 10 shades and it comes with a mirror, which is great for Morphe. Of course, they don't really tend to put a mirror in their palettes, so again, great for the value of what it is. So other than that, that's pretty much it. You'll see swatches and explanation about the palette in each video, so I will put them in the eye up here. I believe it's up here or up here, I don't know. I'll put each video up there, and I'll also list them down in the description box, and also I'll make a playlist so it's again easy for you to see them. So keep on watching if you want to see how I created a look using the Ring the Alarm palette. Okay, so today in this video, in my last Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault palette kind of series, I'm using the Ring the Bell palette. Looks like so. Gorgeous. So I'm working with natural daylight and I am losing it, so I'll try not to rush this video, but I am against the time. I am against the clock. So this palette comes with 10 shades, as you can see. I'll put the swatches up on the screen now, but it has 10 shades. The first one is Lolly, Rush, On Camera, Boom, Alert, Bomb Ass, Seren, Mugshot, Framed, and Secret. My niece is called Seren. Cute. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be trying to test out as many shades as I can. Hopefully I'll do about 5 or 6 shades. I've been doing about 5 shades in each video, so I will zoom in and we'll get straight into it. Okay, so the first shade, I think I'm going to go in with Rush, which is this burnt orange shade here. I'm just going to do one eye and then I'll do the other eye off camera. I've primed my lids with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C0.5. So I'm just going to blend this shade into my crease. Okay, so that shade blended out really nicely. It's a really nice orange shade. So next I'm going to go in with Alert, which is a deeper orange. As you can see, this is more of like a reddy burnt orange, and then this is a orange. These 2 shades have picked up quite a lot of kickback so far, so I'm just blending this straight into the crease, lower down than the other orange shade. Next, I think I'm going to go in with Secret, which is this shade here. It's just a nice dark brown shade. And I'm going to pack this on the outer corner, and I think I'm going to do a halo eye today. Just to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to take that in the inner corner too. Okay, so that brown shade blended out really nicely. Much better than the brown in the other palette. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was Armed and Gorgeous. I'm not entirely sure, so don't quote me on that. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly carve out the crease with the concealer just in the middle part. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with Secret, the dark brown shade, and just blend that shade into the concealer. And then I'm going to go back in with Alert, which is the burnt orange. Okay, so for the middle shade, I think I'm going to go in with Lolly, which is this like kind of pinky rose gold with gold reflex in it. I think I'm going to go in with my finger first and dab that on the middle part of the lid. Oh, that's beautiful. And then I'm going to take a small brush and get right to that line, and I'm going to blend the edges out. Okay, so it looks a little bit different from in the pan, but I think it looks quite nice. So on the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade Framed, which is the purple, darkish purple. For the highlight, I'm just going to go in with the Mirror Luminizer, which I use for my face highlight, because that palette doesn't have a highlight shade in there, which is quite disappointing because I think only one of the palettes have a highlight shade. I think I'm going to leave the brow bone bare. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final eye look. Sorry if the lighting has changed. It's getting dark outside, but I managed to get it filmed before it got too dark. If the camera's a bit lopsided, then I do apologise. But yeah, the final outcome turned out really nice. Ignore the cut crease, this is much lower than this one. But anyway, so my final thoughts on this palette is it's a really, really nice palette. I love this shade here. It's like a duochrome pinky gold shade, and the rest of the matte shades and stuff were also really nice to blend, and the pigmentation was really nice as well. So if you want to see all my other reviews on the other palettes, then click the eye in by here or the link in the description box. I will send you to the playlist because I have reviewed all 4 palettes now. This is the last one. Yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you know every time I upload, and make sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoy review type videos. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.